Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will use this plastic bottle and decorate this. It's gonna be really easy bottle craft. So let's start. First I am using this jute thread and stick it around the bottle. Watch carefully how I am doing it. Then for next step I will cut golden glittery paper as a shape of star. Then use some thread, then stick with both side tape. You can see how I am doing it in the video. Here it's done. Now I will use sting light to light up the bottle, and here is the final result. Is not it too easy and time consuming decorative art but yet beautiful? If you like this craft, comment down below. And here I want to share something. If you find glass bottle like this, then use that instead of plastic bottle. Then it will look more beautiful. After light up, it will look glowy and beautiful. But right now I have only plastic bottle. Do like and share the video. If you are a new viewer to my channel and if you like my art, then do subscribe my channel to see more amazing craft like this. Till then, take care and bye bye.